Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Today we're taking a little bit of a break from working on stone as we have some errands to do and we gotta go pick some stuff up from my good friends at Powderworks. So without further ado, let's head over to Powderworks and see what goods we're picking up today. I am so excited. It's from the pictures. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen the insight of what the new wheels look like and the extra thing we had powder coated. So let's head over there because I'm so excited. Welcome to the days of COVID, but we are here at Powderworks. Let's go in and take a look. We are home with the wheels. Check out this powder coating. I got the wheels off on one side, and we only got two wheels sitting here. What can that mean? What do you guys think? I see that the camera is not doing it any justice. I can't wait till we can get this out in the sunlight and you guys can actually see this on the car. OMG. Once again, a massive shout out to Jay at Powderworks. Fantastic quality. The quality of this powder coating is top notch. It's the best I've ever seen, and I would highly recommend him. Prices are good, quality is good, timing is good. If you want to get your wheels done, make sure you hit up Jay from Powderworks here in Calgary. He can make your wheels look as spicy as stones. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think below. We will get the wheels and tires off to KDF and get them to remount the rubber on the wheels, and then we'll be good for the year. Massive shout out to Vossen for supplying me with these lug bolts. They actually have a washer right here on the conical part of the lug bolt, so it will not damage or mar the powder coating on these wheels. They are going to be fantastic for keeping those powder coated wheels clean and not marred, not scratched, anything else. I also make sure I use a Teflon coated socket for the lug nuts so that it doesn't scratch the barrel of where the lug bolt goes. So test fitting complete, super excited, very happy with the results. For those who are not following me on social media, he also powder coated the air tank for the air suspension, which is why I hadn't started on the trunk setup yet. Just look at that quality. What an incredible finish. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm super excited with the wheels. They just turned out better than I could even have imagined. Thanks again. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.